And number 4, this is the 4th material that we're gonna be applying in my studio. Will, you know the questions, yeah? What is this and
what is it?
What is it? Yeah, first of all, it's incredible. Just have a look at this, you know? It's like an entire Lego castle ready for you to play with.
Okay, so these are diffusers. Everything else we've looked at up to this point is an absorber which soaks up the sound energy, but these diffusers actually reflect the sound energy back at you. But unlike a flat wall where the sound just comes straight back in your face, if you like, or into your microphone, these will spread the sound energy out around the room. So you can keep a bit of sparkle on your recordings, not make the room too dry.
I see that. Because of course, if we would be applying foam and absorbers at the end, our recording will sound like a muffled microphone.
The recording sounds muffled, and in a dead room, if you're trying to do mixes in a dead room, you'll get quite unnatural kind of high frequencies on your mix.
You're exaggerating, compensating everything that has been absorbed. Yeah, I guess.
It's quite tiring as well to work in a dead room, you know. It's not very comfortable, it's not natural.
Interesting,
so
yeah.
These help keep a bit of live energy.
So what happens? Why are these all like odd shapes and look like the Lego castle, as I was saying?
Okay, well, a very clever mathematician called Schroeder did a lot of mathematical study on the design of these types of things, and this is one particular version of the mathematics that he came up with. So this is called a quadratic residue diffuser, the technical term. We call it a QR diffuser for obvious reasons.
I see.
But the actual depth and the size of all these wells.
Check it out here. Come with the camera close.
This
so you
is
can check this.
A lot of maths goes into that to make it effective. If it was random, it wouldn't be as effective.
And how do we apply? I guess just like a simple nail and supports in it, or 2 maybe screws.
That will do fine. You can screw them to the wall. You can use your hook and loop strips, which I think we include now. We've started including a fixing pack with these. And if you're putting them on the ceiling, I would suggest obviously some screws as well. But if you want to glue them, you can do that. They're quite lightweight.
They are light. No, everything that Will brought today is like super light. And by all means, I was scared that all these, you know, and thick materials on my walls would like eat my space, my living space. But at the end, it's not even 2 inches, you know, that everything is coming out of the room. And I like these because, you know, they are maybe the easier one to clean as well.
Yeah, definitely.
You can wipe them, they are easy, and I can probably find out some of the sweet spot here in my wall where I still have some of the nails and the screws from ancient canvas that I used to have in this room, and I'm enjoying it. It's everything very practical.
Yeah.
Cool. We still have the last bit, and
One last box
it's a surprise.